If you're suffering and done with extreme air pollution in your city, then this is the device that is going to
This is the Philips 1000i series AC 1711 air purifier. The box is simple, manual purifier and a charger. In our city, the AQI frequently crosses 200 and goes up to 300. We bought this particular model because it comes with a touch sensitive display which displays the PM 2.5 levels in your room in real time. The packaging is simple and straightforward: a charger, documentation, and then the air purifier. It is made in sleek matte black design and is quite premium looking. After removing the plastic, make sure to open the air filter. The air filter is always covered by a plastic cover when it comes out of the factory. We have already removed it. This is how the filter looks. It comes with triple stage filtration system, pre-filter, carbon filter and a true HEPA filter. Properly reinstall it back in, and this is the device that is going to save the air quality inside your house. Using the capacitive touch screen on the top of the air filter, you can change the fan speed between 1 to 3. There is also auto mode and a night mode. Auto mode senses the PM 2.5 levels and automatically increases or decreases the fan speed. Night mode is for silent operation during the night. As soon as you connect it to the power, you get this halo light and the sensor starts its calibration. Give it some time when it boots for the first time, and then it starts picking up the pollution in your area. It has stabilized at 155, so that is the current PM 2.5 levels. I'm gonna keep it at full blast. You can see the indicator on the screen. Close all your windows and doors. My doors are already closed and windows are closed. Slowly it will bring down the pollution levels inside your room. After 15 to 20 minutes, the air purifier brought down the pollution from 155 to 24 PM 2.5 levels. This is the best investment you can do in winters, especially if you live in a very polluted area like Product link is in the description and pin comment.